As you can see, this is proof we got the Twitter followers for free. Now let me show you how I started. If you noticed, at first I had only 35 followers on our Twitter account. Now copy your profile link and go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword Thunderclap. Scroll down and select the Read More below the post. Now paste your profile link in any email of your choice.
Four hours later.
If you noticed, we now have 45 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.